Kurumjari Mayam! Hello everyone! I'm here again, your local reactor from Philippines. I'm Jayson and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rodix TV. And for today's video guys, I'm so excited to react this another Manipuri music with the title of Ngaikhigani by Sagar Nameirakpam official music video. And the cast here guys, Malim Nitongja, Sanabem Suraisham, and Aaron Nengtengja. Is that correct to pronounce, guys? It's hard to pronounce, guys, but anyway, for those new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. Sagar Nameirakpam production. Ngaikhigani. So what's the meaning of this title guys? Oh, he drunk guys. He drunk while watching a live band. Again, this is a relationship story, guys. Oh, I like the band. Maybe they separate after this music. Maybe. He's thinking their enjoyment before, or the happy moments. There's some reason guys why they broke. They broke up guys. Maybe the guy here he doesn't time to this lady. That's why they broke. Now what do you think? What he's saying? What's she saying to this guy? Now she have a new boyfriend. That's easy, guys. Wow, that is so easy to this lady. Wow! I smell there's some fighting here. Oh, ow! Snap this guy. That was so hurt, guys. Now, she think about this guy. Oh. That was so hard, guys. I feel that, I feel. Oh, girl, she came back. Oh, now she realized how this guy is very important to her. Wow, that was the story, guys, of the song Ngaikhigani. Wow, incredible story, guys. Very, there's some lesson learned to adapt here, guys. So, guys, in a relationship, time is a very important to each other. So, guys, for those watching right now, if you commit a relationship, guys, please give time to each other, because very, very important the time in the relationship. So that this happened to this story here in this music, which is very important to share this to all of us, because the reason why we always broke up to our relationship, because we don't have a time to each other. So that was so very wonderful story for me. So thank you so much for sharing this music video and the story. That was so very important to the watcher right now, the viewers. So they think that very important in the relationship is the time. Alright? So guys, I hope you enjoy and you like this music. Guys, some Manipuri music, we can adopt some lesson here, and we can learn some lesson here. So see you on my next reaction of video, guys. I love you all and thank you so much. Bye.